Welcome back to FQMS YouTube channel. In today's tutorial we will learn about bank setup. Bank setup is used to set up your banks for further usage. First create head of bank in chart of account for, then create the bank through bank setup form. If you don't know how to create bank head, then follow steps. Open chart of account form in accounts module. Select level 1. Create level 2 and 3. And in level 4 create bank head. Bank head is created successfully. Now to create a new bank, go to accounts module. In setup forms open bank setup form. Press new button and enter details about your bank. Enter bank name, bank title, account number, SWIFT code, and enter other contact details. Press key down to select GL head of bank, created in chart of account. Set default bank if you want. Active or inactive bank by using active checkbox. And press save button. New bank is created successfully. Now if you want to delete an existing bank, select bank from list and press delete button. Subscribe us for further coming tutorials and press bell icon to receive notifications of coming videos.